Hi guys! I know it's been a while since I filmed a video. My little ring light that my phone sits on quit working, so my lighting is really crappy right now. I'm sorry. I have my little lamp turned this way to give me a little more light. So it's been really hard to try to do videos without my actual ring light because it gave me the best light that I could have in this house. So I just need to order another one from Amazon, so hopefully I can do that soon. I think the one I got was maybe 30 bucks, so it's not that bad. I should be able to get another one pretty soon. But I did go to Dollar Tree today. I haven't been in a good month, so I wanted to see what all they had. The one I went to sadly had no fall things and no Halloween things. Like, I see everybody on Instagram posting about all that stuff, and the one I went to had none of it. They had school supplies and summer stuff out, and I'm over summer. But I'll go ahead and share with you what I did get. So I'll just start with this bag right here. I just grabbed a couple of small canvases. They didn't have any of the bigger flat ones, so I just got one of the little thicker ones and then a 3-pack of the skinny ones, just so that Alden can paint something for somebody. And then I got a new sunglasses case, or just a glasses case. I thought this one was really pretty. It's like hot pink with the leaves on it. And then I got this Bolero Gentle Face Exfoliator with vitamin C and cucumber in it. And then I got this Bolero Facial Moisturizer with hibiscus and chamomile. I picked up this for Alden. They didn't have any really good toys either this time. I got a couple of Sharpies. I just got a pretty pink one and a seafoam green one. I'm really sorry about the lighting. I know it's terrible. And there was no good makeup either. They had like no hard candy, which really sucks. I love finding that stuff. But I did get these two LA Colors color lip glosses. So I got Dancer and Rubies. So it's really pretty red, and then this really pretty nudie pink. And I got another like little workbook for Alden. It is Trace and Write for ages 4 to 6. And then the last thing in this bag, I just thought this notebook was super cute. I love the tie-dye. And then the pages are really cute as well. It says Fabulous, and it has like little stars, a flamingo, butterflies, and stuff all over the pages. Oh, and it's by Crown Jewels, and it's a women-owned company, so I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, and I don't have room on my desk to keep everything up here. To keep going. Alright, and then I also got another pack of highlighters, just because I really like to have highlighters on hand. Oh, I saw these at the checkout, so I got these for Alden. It's just a little booklet of 250 dinosaur stickers. This also got me at the checkout. It's a lens cleaner spray, and I thought that would be perfect to keep in my purse. My glasses are always getting filthy. And then I also saw this at the checkout, and I just thought it'd be really fun. It's a desktop horseshoe set. So it looks like that. And then I did pick up another little pack of gum, because I like to keep that in my purse. And then I thought this matte black handheld mirror was really cute. I like the black a lot. I think I have one that's like a silver, like mirrored looking one, and I didn't really like that one as much, so I picked up this black one. And then these just sounded really good. I don't know if they will be, but they're Munch Rights Apple Cinnamon Baked Puffs. So I thought I'd give those a try. I hope they're good. You know what? Let's go ahead and try one right now because I'm so curious. Ooh, they smell really good. So they kind of look like the puffy Cheetos. I like those. That's a nice little snack. And it's gluten-free, no nuts, no MSG, it's vegan, 0 trans fat. So yeah, I like those. Alright, and the last bag is a big one. Oh no. This cleaner somehow opened in the bag. That's lovely. So everything is wet. And I had a book in here too. Ugh. I totally blame Dollar Tree because I've never had that happen from things. Oh my god, my book is ruined. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's soaked. Alright, I gotta figure this out. Ugh. Let's take everything out of the bag. And I literally didn't do anything when I got home except set the bags down. And when I picked up this cleaner in the store, it seemed like the top of it was on fairly well. At least you would think. The whole bag has cleaner in it. Ugh. It's not how I thought this was gonna go. But I'm gonna go ahead and get one of my little wipes I have right here and just wipe down the rest of this stuff really quick so I can show you. Cool, and the cleaner got inside of this bag, but I got this bag, like this little 12-pack of combs, just to keep handy in the bathroom for after my showers and stuff, but I'm going to have to completely clean these now, because I don't know if you can tell, yeah, there's cleaner in the bag, it's dripping out of the bag. Now I'm really frustrated. This looks like it really wasn't touched by the cleaner. It's just a box of Nerf Band-Aids for Alden. I did get this really pretty Kiss gel nail polish. They don't have names, but it's a really pretty light pink. This body wash looks okay. I got this Silkience Creme Rich and Creamy Body Wash. It is relaxing, lavender, and vanilla. It's a nice size body wash. You get 24 fluid ounces. I think it smells nice, so I'll be giving that a try. I picked up a little pack of Bactive wipes. These are what I like to keep in my purse. I'm so frustrated right now. I cannot believe this leaked all over. I was so excited for that book, too. So I'm gonna have to, like, try and dry it out somehow. They actually have Beverly Hills Polo Club socks there. So I got this 3-pack for Alden, so it has sharks, some checkered ones, and then just some plain white and blue ones. And then for myself, I got, I don't know what these are supposed to be. I think these are like little cats, and then there's polka dots, and then pink and gray. I'm gonna have to wash these before I wear them because the cleaner got on my socks. I picked up another chalk writer, but I got blue. I also have white. So my sister got me a pack of these for my birthday, and I really, really like them, and I actually found them myself. So I picked up another pack of these Global Beauty Care cleansing wipes. They're glowing with glycolic acid and vitamin C. Like, you can, like, look at this. This is just falling apart because of the cleaner that got everywhere. Oh, it's so frustrating. I've never had that happen before. I also grabbed these for the shower. There's Spa Naturals Aromatherapy Shower Fizzies. You get 4 in here, and they're eucalyptus and spearmint. So I thought that would be fun to try. So this is the cleaner that, like, this somehow came off in the bag, even though when I picked it up at the store, it's totally fine. It's LA's totally awesome, fast-acting mold and mildew and stain remover. So I really just got this to, like, clean the shower and the bath. Literally, like, half of it spilled out. Like, I know you're not going to be able to tell, but I can see that it's, like, up to here, and I know it was probably filled at least up to here somewhere. I'm so frustrated. But this book, it's not, like, a huge deal. It was only $1, but I was still pretty stoked for it. I'm gonna have to try and let this air out somehow. But it was a Holly Becker Decorate Workshop. Design and style your space in 8 creative steps. You can tell, like, ugh, the pages are just sticking together. But if I let this sit out, maybe I can, like, take my hair dryer. Like, look at that. It's soaked. Man. And it's not even like it was just water. It's like freaking chemicals. But, I mean, unless I can find that book again, I don't want to throw that away, so I'm going to do my best to clean it and dry it out and hope for the best. It was only $1. If I have to, like, toss it, it's fine, but I really wanted to be able to, like, look through that book. So, yeah. But I blame this. Hopefully it's good, because it's put me through all of this. But I was really excited because I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a while, and I was really excited to look for some fall things that they did not have. I really regret buying this cleaner, obviously. I'm glad Alden's socks didn't get wet at all, but mine did, of course. But I'd rather it be my socks than his socks. So I'm gonna wash those. I wanted to be able to keep my wipes in here, so I knew that this was my new pack and not to open them yet, but I'm going to toss this into the bag with all the cleaner in it. And I'll just put these aside somewhere so I know not to open them right away. I hope the cleaner didn't okay, I don't think it got inside of the wipes because they are sealed pretty well. But, man, that's just really frustrating. So, if you guys are going to pick up any cleaners from Dollar Tree, be sure this doesn't happen to you. Wasn't expecting that. Like, as soon as I picked up this bag to show you guys, I was like, something's not right. But yeah, this book just seemed really, you know, interesting. You know, it even has places. So, like, what do you enjoy doing in these rooms? And it has, like, a little list where you can, like, write what you enjoy doing in the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, the dining room. And basically it can, like, help you to, like, decorate and organize your spaces. That's why I really wanted this book. So I'm gonna save it somehow. It may be a little wet right now, but I'm gonna figure it out. Oh man. Oh, that makes me so mad. Okay, well, that's everything I got from Dollar Tree. Don't do what I did. Don't buy cleaner from Dollar Tree. Just kidding. It might be good cleaner. I don't know. But definitely check and make sure that the lid is actually screwed on tightly before putting it in a bag with other stuff. The girl at Dollar Tree just kind of like stuffed everything in one bag, and I kind of wish she would have at least put the cleaner in a separate bag for accidents like this, but it's okay. I don't blame her, but I do wish if one thing could have been in a separate bag, it could have been the cleaner. But yeah, don't let this happen to you. Um, I cannot wait to get another ring light because this light, it's just weird because it's not like right on me. It's coming from this side, so I'm not fully lit up. It's really weird and kind of awkward. I need to take this nail polish off of my nails, and I definitely want to try this very, very light baby pink. I really like this color. It's really pretty. And yeah, I need to do a what's in my purse video soon so you guys can see what purse I am using and all of that fun stuff. So I will get to that very soon. I'm going to clean this mess up and try to salvage my book. So I will talk to you guys again really soon. Bye!